Bagels, slightly sweet, white bread in the shape of a donut. What's not to like? Perfect summer food, and especially nice if you load them up with all kinds of ingredients, which is what we're going to do today. Since I'll be making a burger today, I'm going to need a sauce, because every good burger needs some sauce. And the sauce I'll be using will be Greek yogurt, about 2 tablespoons, mixed with a tablespoon of mayo, some black pepper, parsley, and a nice chunk of feta cheese. And then you have a nice, thick, creamy sauce for your loaded bagel. But how will we load this bagel, you may ask? Well, first get some lettuce. And don't be greedy, because it is a loaded bagel. Together with some grated carrots, a few slices of cucumber, and of course, since we're making a burger bagel, we're going to add a burger. However, this is not your standard burger, not a meat patty. This burger is made out of mushrooms. If you make this loaded burger yourself, you can of course choose to use meat, or a vegetarian burger, or a vegan burger if you even want. But I'll be using a mushroom burger this time. This mushroom burger is mostly made out of mushrooms, together with some cheese and onion and some other things. And it tastes like a block of mushrooms. So let's add that to the bagel, together with a nice portion of your creamy sauce. And a little bit of avocado to finish it all off. And then you have a loaded bagel burger, ready for the summer. Just like last time I made a burger, this is impossible to eat, so I'm going to do my best. The sauce is nice and salty with the feta cheese, together with a little bit of sourness from the yogurt. The taste of the mushrooms from the mushroom burger work really well with the sauce and the vegetables. This is a great meal for the summer, for the barbecue. Only it completely falls apart if you eat it, as always. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.